Right. When you're ready.
I can't, my cheeks hurt.
Compose you guys, compose.
Slender man, no.
Oh, I've got a punch.
If I could write you a song to make you fall in love, I would already have you right under my arms. I know you follow my tricks, I hope for you like this, but you probably won't. You think you're cool with me. I'm going to make your drink just for a sip.
It's cider.
You like cider?
Okay.
He drank my drink, oh my god!
Do. Lightheaded. Yeah, you know what I mean.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. The sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Drifting on by.
Go on, Jody.
You know how I feel.
Go on, Jody. Go on, Jody.
Get
It's a new day. It's a new life for me. For fuck's sake. And I'm feeling.
Oh my god!
I'm flying high. You know how I feel. Right.
I ain't thinking shit.
Go on, Jenny!
Go on, Jody.
Ben, I can't. Yes, you can.
You can, we believe in you!
We love you. I believe. We'll take my fingers out.
If I can fly, I believe I can touch the sky. Exactly.
That was the
It wasn't me.
Yeah? Play a song. Just do it.
But I'll do the thing and then slide.
Yeah, but I do it away from the mic and then slowly bring it closer.
Yeah. Yeah, that way.
Sing to yourself.
They can't hear you.
What song is she doing?
Sing away from the mic.
I can't. Wait. What are you singing?
You know Best for Last by Adele? You know,
First to last.
Best.
Come on.
I thought we had something.
You can do it?
I thought we had something. I'm heartbroken.
Well, can we do Sex on Fire karaoke?
Oh, 2 minutes, damn.
Can we do Sex on Fire karaoke?
Jodie, you can join in as well.
Yeah.